our MTS staff came, and he's the first one who always comes here. So when he came here, he saw that the lock was broken, the gate was open. So he just stepped in and saw the office door. Office door, both the locks were broken, and then he just saw inside. Everything was in a mess. Immediately, I reached at around 7:10. So I also just stepped in, but didn't go directly inside the office. But from outside, we saw our donation box, which we keep and open it up only in the month of April. And we get around 25,000 in that, where people donate whenever they visit the school, which we utilize for our students. So that whole thing is broken, that money is being taken. Only some few coins are kept. Then we have our Xerox machine, where we have a small fund for that. Beyond the school work, whoever wants, we charge them a rupee. And again, at the end of the year, we open it, we utilize it for the repairs of the machine of ours. Then in the office, the DVLR of 16 channels is being stolen. It is just being taken, removed everything, and it is being taken. And I had bought one more new one because we wanted to upgrade in our primary section, where we don't have the CCTV. It was not connected. Only that is kept. All my drawers are ransacked. All the envelopes, whichever they are kept on my table. We have a small monument of our infant Jesus that was thrown down. We went inside the office part sideways. One cupboard was broken and it was open. They ransacked everything there, but luckily there was no money in there. Then our clerical staff, their tables, some money was there which was inside the drawer and all, everything has been taken. So estimated around 50 to 60,000 we have suffered a loss. And request to the Department of Education, irrespective of the strength of the school, that every school should be given security. Because on and off now these incidents are taking place and no outcome is come as yet. 2 days before in St. Teresa's, January 6th, it was a neighboring school, St. Thomas. Some months back, Valley School. Then in Darbandora. And it's a modus operandi which is being taking place. They are just taking the DVLR so that there is no proof which is left to identify the culprits. Exactly at 7:20, my MTS staff went to the police station to lodge a complaint. And the police reached here. Okay, slightly I felt it because they reached here after 1 hour. And the forensic team reached after another 2.5 to 3 hours. Till then, the whole school was outside here. All the children, because the police told not to take the children inside. So if this continues, what is the fate of our schools in Goa like this? So my earnest request to do something and get the culprits apprehended as early as possible. Immediately I rang up to our MLA also, but he could not take up my call. Then a very good friend of mine, Mr. Rokozin, who is always there for our school. So I just called him. So he also made elaborate arrangements, called the MLA back again, went to the police station and got the work a little bit done faster. So expecting the police to do some work and get the culprits apprehended.
जाली सकाळी आमच्या सरान म्हाका फोन केलो आनी म्हणपाक लागलो वेलसांव इन्फंट जीजस स्कूल फोडलें म्हणपाक लागलो आनी हांव सरप्रायज जालो. हांव उठलो आनी मागीर हांवें वेर्ना पुलिसे फोन केलो, MLA फोन केलो आनी आमकां खूब दूख जाली की हे आमचें इन्फंट जीजस स्कूल एकाडमीक जे वेलसांव एकूय स्कूल आहा आनी आज हे स्कुलांत जायते भुरगे शिकताय जावं जुवारी नगराचे आनी आमचे सरावंडींग एरिया कांसावली हिंगाचे आनी असल्या इस्कुलाक हे भाशेन अपघात जालो आमकां दूख जाली. सो हेजेर हांवें मागीर MLAकूय फोन मारलो आनी MLA सांगलें मातशें वेर्ना पुलिसे फोन मार ताबडतोब थिंगा ये म्हण. आतां ताबडतोब आमी तो पळयलो जाल्यार हे आतां रिसंटली आमच्या सेंट ट्रिजा ते मांगोर हिल थिंगाय 2-4 दिसां आमी पेपराचेर वाचिलां, मिडियाचेर पळयलां, थिंगाय चोरी जाली. आतां हिंगा तर आमी पळयलो जाल्यार सेम इस्टाल ही चोरी हिंगाय जाल्या आतां हे भाशेन चोरी जावप आनी असले इस्कुलांनी तो त्रास करप तांकां एक ते गँग आहा अशें दिसता कित्याक तेंगेले पॅटर्न जो आतां चोयला तो सो इस्कुलांक तांकां आतां आमकां सर उलयतालो तेंगे डोनेशन बॉक्स फोडला तितले पयशे वयले सो ही एक सेट आहा तो तांकां खबर आहा बाबा इस्कुलांक कित्याक चोताय कितें मेळटा सो दे आर प्रिपेर्ड नाव आनी ते भाशेन ते आतां मुखार 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 चोरीत वयतले हे भाशेन जातले सो म्हाका आमचे कोर्ताली कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी आतां भिरांत दिसता की हे भाशेन तरी जाले सो मुखार कितें करपाचें सो मुगेले रिक्वेस्ट आहा सो एक गोवा ह्युमन रिसोर्स डेव्हलपमेंटा कडेन की तेमी एक सेक्युरिटी दिची कित्याक हे धाकले स्कूल तांकां कडेन तितली कॅपेसिटी आसची ना सो आमचो बाब रोदोल्फ एज अ चेअरमॅन हेजो GHRDCचो सो तेंच्यान न्हू एक सेक्युरिटी प्रोवायड केले जाल्यार न्हू आमी उपकारी कित्याक नाजाल्यार न्हू हे भाशेन चोरी जायत वयतले मुखार मुखार आनी कितें कोन्न ते प्रोवायड करतले आनी हिंगा तर आतां तेंचे DVR चोवन वयला कित्याक DVR चोवन वयला म्हणजे ते दे आर सेफ तेंचे आयडेंटिटी मेळना आनी ही एक रिमोट एरिया हे वतन बट हायवे आमचो लोक रावता हे वतन ही एक बिजी रोड हो पूण इतले बेगीन हे भाशेन जावप म्हणजे आमकां खूब दूख दिसल्या आनी हांव मागता सरकारा कडेन हेजेर कितेंय तरी लक्ष घालचो आनी पुलिसेनूय कितेंय तरी कोचें कित्याक आतां आमच्या वेर्ना तर आमकां दिसता ते भाशेन वेर्ना शॉर्टेज आहा पुलीस सो हांव सरकाराक मागता होम डिपार्टमेंटा कडेन की तेमची कितें हें आहा कोटा आहा तो तांकां दिचो आनी कित्याक तेंच्यान मागीर हाल्या हूंय हूंय भोंवपा मेळटा कित्याक आमी खबर करता ते भाशेन मेळटा आमकां कितें हिंगा जायती वेर्ना पुलिसेन जायती हें आहा आनी म्हाका दिसता की आमची गोंयची पुलीस बरी हुशार आहा ही कशें तरी हे सोदून काडले हे काल्प्रीट खूंय आहाय तांकां कशें ते धरून काडले आनी समाजात दिश्ट पडले हे कित्याक लागून कोताय आनी कितची तेंची मुखावयली आयडिया ती